Make me snap my chips. Hey, everybody's going for lunch. I'll be back in an hour. Hey.
Hey.
Haven't seen you in a while. What's the problem?
Oh, it's been overheating.
Pop the hood. How long's she been overheating?
Since this morning.
Hold that for me.
Sure.
Still dating trust fund, baby?
Yeah,
So that's your problem.
probably. So is there something I need to do, or?
Put a little fluid in it. She'll be fine.
Okay.
So, how's your mom?
She's fine, you know, normal. No biggie. Oh, thank you. Do I owe you something, or?
Nothing.
I gotta pay you something.
Give me my lunch back.
Oh, right.
It's good seeing you again.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to get a drink sometime?
Maybe.
Okay. A drink it is.
I'll see you around.